Did your TCL TV start freezing or hanging right after a software update? Don't panic because we are going to unfreeze your screen and get it running smoothly again right now. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. This usually happens because the new update left behind old temporary files that are conflicting with the system, or your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection is struggling to verify the new build. Let's clear those digital clogs with 10 advanced solutions. Step 1. Perform a deep hardware power cycle. Unplug your TCL TV from the wall and wait for a full 2 minutes. While it is unplugged, hold the physical power button on the TV frame for 30 seconds to drain every bit of residual electricity. Step 2. The forced menu restart. If your screen is partially responsive, hold the power button on your remote for 5 seconds. A hidden menu will appear allowing you to select Restart, which flushes the system RAM. Step 3. Clear the Google Play Services cache. Go into your settings and find the Apps section. Select Show System Apps and clear the cache for Google Play Services to fix background update loops. Step 4. Disable Quick Start Mode. This feature keeps the TV in a low power state that often preserves the very bugs that cause freezing. Turning it off forces the TV to load the new software fresh every time. Step 5. Use the hardware reset button. Locate the small pinhole on the side of your TV. While the TV is on, use a paperclip to hold the button for 20 seconds until the TCL logo flashes. Step 6. Fix the network handshake. If your TV freezes while loading the home screen, it is likely a Wi-Fi hang. Change your DNS settings to DNS 8.8.8.8 to ensure the new update can talk to the servers properly. Step 7. Remove all USB accessories. If you have a flash drive or keyboard plugged in, unplug it. Sometimes new software builds have driver conflicts with older USB hardware, which causes the whole TV to lock up. Step 8. Defragment your storage by deleting unused apps. New updates often require more working space. If your internal storage is nearly full, the TV will freeze while trying to swap data. Step 9. Reset the audio system settings. Surprisingly, a mismatch in the HDMI 2.1 audio return channel can freeze the video processing. Go to sound settings and reset them to factory defaults. Step 10. Perform a manual firmware sideload. If the over-the-air update was corrupted, download the official firmware from the TCL support site onto a FAT32 USB drive and install it via the service port. Here's a pro tip for you. If your TV freezes only on specific apps like Netflix, try disabling Usage and Diagnostics in the privacy menu. This stops the TV from sending data in the background and frees up massive CPU power. If you are facing any difficulty with these steps, drop a comment below. I will personally reply to your questions within 1 hour to help you out. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more straight-to-the-point tech fixes. Stay calm because your TCL TV is going to work perfectly.